Hi everyone and welcome back to Macaroon. In this video, I want to test out these miniature sandwich kits from Banggood.com. These are listed as squishies in the shop, however I'm curious to see how the texture really feels like. Just based on the pictures, I'm fascinated by how realistic the pieces look. These kits are from the same company that made these fruit cocktail slime sets, so if you've watched this video then you'll know that the quality was quite impressive. First of all, I'm not a huge fan of the outer box design, and I'm a bit triggered by the fact that one of the 4 boxes looks different to the others. However, I do love the inner packaging. These remind me a lot of Popin Cookin kits, except you have a non-edible piece that you get to keep forever. So the box contains these sandwich pieces, 2 tubes of deco sauce and some tweezers, and this doily thing for decoration. This food-inspired packaging is great attention to detail, which you rarely find in craft kits. The miniature components look very realistic, which is quite impressive since fake food toys often have cheap-looking colors or sloppy shading. This looks pretty much identical to a real Subway bread dusted with flour. However, right away I can feel that the pieces are made from a type of foamy rubber and not polyurethane foam. So even though you can squish them in the technical sense, these don't have the same texture as a slow-rising squishy. The bread buns have actually been pre-cut to make it easier for you to fill. This next step was entirely my own fault since I didn't spot the opening on the Subway bun and I tried cutting it with a craft knife. I was almost done when I realized there was a slit all along, but the bread was so realistic that it was entirely hidden. So the only thing you really need to do with this kit is assemble the filling. I'm going to use this tube, which contains a deco sauce that resembles mayonnaise. I'm pretty certain that this is just normal PVA glue mixed with white paint. However, unlike craft glue, this won't dry transparent, so you have to be a bit careful when applying it. The kit also comes with a pink sauce, which I tried out here, but it doesn't look right at all, so I wouldn't recommend using it. The color is quite artificial, and it doesn't look like anything you'd actually find in a sandwich. I ended up wiping everything off and just continuing with the white sauce. Even though this kit looks super easy, there's actually a bit of skill involved in assembling it. If you press the pieces together too quickly, then the glue will spill over the sides and make everything look messy. So for best results, you want to hold each piece in place until almost dry before adding the next layer. Now I'm repeating the process to make the burger. Just like the other one, this one has pretty impressive textures and color. The trick is to apply just enough glue so it oozes out the sides like sauce, but not too much so that it smears over everything. I can't help thinking that this kit would be amazing if the pieces were made from softer foam so you can really squish them together. However, considering that this entire thing only costs $5, it's really not bad at all. That's the same price as a pre-made keyring, and here you get a bit of fun assembling the pieces yourself. I thought of a different method, which is to create individual silicone molds of each piece and then filling them with Hito Hada gel to create a squishier burger. That would work out to be ridiculously expensive, but let me know below if you want me to try it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out my Instagram for everyday updates. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!